So the solar panel's up, and I tried to do some testing. I did some testing of this one and both of them together, but we're going to go into what the install looked like and how we wired it and all that. Really cleaned up nice, looks really decent. So hopefully you like this. These are the Aptos panels, and they do pretty good. They're 440 watt red bifacial, so they can get 550. Okay, so here's our stats on the solar. Now you can tell it's been crappy since we've had them up. With the solar panels up, with one solar panel on the first day of solar, that was when I was working under here and doing the install, we got 1.4 kilowatts. On the second trial of one solar, we've got 1.4 kilowatts. The max wattage we made on solar was one panel was 400 watts. Now granted, we have mast over here. Our angle, because it's becoming fall, is poor, and our solar panels are flat. So 400 watts for one panel, that is pretty good, especially in the conditions. Now with two solar panels, I've done this twice now. The first time I tried this, we got 3 kilowatts, and that was with not making much power throughout the day. It kind of dropped off at noon. Most everything here dropped off at noon. And then for today, it's been raining and all that stuff. It's about 3. We've got 1.5 kilowatts for two panels.